Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you my thoughts on the Sony a7R, a camera that's been making waves in the photography world. This thing is a beast, and I'm eager to dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. The Sony a7R is a high-end mirrorless camera body designed specifically for professional photographers who demand the best. It's a powerhouse of a device, packed with features that will make your photography experience a whole lot better. So let's break down the specs, shall we? The Sony a7R boasts a whopping 61MP sensor, which is incredible for capturing detailed images. It can shoot 8K 24p video, which is perfect for cinematographers, and 4K 60p movies, giving you that silky smooth footage. The camera can also shoot at 10 frames per second, which is great for capturing fast-moving subjects. Real-time AF is another standout feature, allowing you to track your subjects with ease. And with a 4-axis LCD, you can shoot from any angle, making it super versatile. The camera also features a robust autofocus system with 693 phase detection points, covering about 90% of the sensor area, which is extremely impressive. Additionally, it has a wide ISO range of 100 to 32,000, which can be expanded to 50 to 102,400, making it suitable for shooting in various lighting conditions. In real-world use, this camera performs exceptionally well, giving you the flexibility to shoot in various environments. I've had the chance to take it out for a spin, and I was blown away by its performance. Whether I was shooting landscapes, portraits, or street photography, the Sony a7R delivered outstanding results. The image quality is superb, with excellent color accuracy and dynamic range. The camera's ability to handle high-contrast scenes is particularly impressive, and the noise reduction is excellent, even at high ISOs. The camera's ergonomics are also worth mentioning, as it fits comfortably in the hand, and the controls are intuitive and easy to use. The Sony a7R is also a great choice for videographers, as it offers a range of features that make it ideal for cinematic productions. The camera's 8K resolution and 4K 60p capabilities make it perfect for capturing high-quality footage, and the real-time AF and image stabilization features help to ensure smooth and stable video. The camera also features a range of professional video features, including Log3, and HLG, which provide a wide range of color grading options. Overall, I'd give the Sony a7R a solid 9 out of 10. It's an incredible device that's definitely worth considering if you're a professional photographer. The camera's exceptional image quality, robust autofocus system, and versatile features make it a top-notch choice for anyone looking to take their photography to the next level. If you like this review, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.